Myself Sahana, presently studying in Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, Department of Information Science and Engineering, and today I am going to speak about on the topic of Aloha, Csam or Csma or CD. First of all, what's this meaning of Aloha, Csam or Csma or CD? Aloha, it is a protocol where the entire frame is transmitted first, followed by a wait for the acknowledgement. This is about the meaning of Aloha. And CSAM means it is a cybersecurity assist management and process of discovering, monitoring, and managing the organization of cybersecurity assist. This is the meaning of CSAM. And CSMA, the full form is Carrier Sense Multiple Access, and CD is the collision detection. And CSMA or CD, it is a media access control that prevents the devices for transmitting the data continuously. This is about what the Aloha, CSMA and CSMA defines. And next, let's begin the topic of introduction to network protocols. Networking protocols are essential for communication between devices. They define the rules and conventions for data exchange. Understanding the different protocols helps optimize network performance. This is about the introduction to network protocols. And next, you can see the picture of how the network protocols of introduction part. And next, what is Aloha? And first of all, I said that Aloha, it is a protocol where the entire frame is transmitted first, followed by the wait for then acknowledgement. And you can see here the Aloha is a simple communication protocol developed for wireless networks. It is developed for wireless networks. And next, it allows devices to transmit data whenever they have data for sending. They allows the data to transmit whenever they want to send the data. And next, the protocol is based on random access method leading to potential collisions. It is based on random and methods for leading the potential collisions. And you can see the central unit satellite that used to send from F1, that is used to send from F2, that is user 1 earth station, and it goes to F1 to the central unit satellite, and from F2 it goes to user 3 earth station, and from user 3 it goes to central unit satellite, and from F2 it goes to user 2 earth station, and from F1 it goes to and from user 2 it goes to central unit satellite. And it is the illustration of simplified Aloha net. And this is about what's the meaning of actual Aloha. And next, types of Aloha. And next, there are two types Aloha: pure Aloha and slotted Aloha. Pure Aloha allows transmissions at any time, while slotted Aloha divides time into slots. It allows in any time, that is Aloha. The pure Aloha. Slotted Aloha means it divides into different slots. And next, slotted Aloha is more efficient than pure Aloha due to the reduced collision chances. And you can see the collision duration of Aloha from frame 1.1 to from node. And you can see the picture how the time goes from frame 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, and next frame 3.1, 3.2. And you can see the node 1 2, node 2, node 3, node 4. This is the types of Aloha. And next, advantages of Aloha. Aloha is a simple to implement and requires minimal overhead. It is a flexible and works well in low traffic environments. The protocols can be easily adapted for the various wireless applications. This is about the advantages of Aloha. It is a simple and requires minimal overhead, and it can be easily adapted for the various applications. And next, disadvantages of Aloha, that is Aloha suffers from the high collision rates, especially in congested environment. The protocol has relatively low throughput limited to about 80%. It is 80% relatively low. That is the disadvantage of Aloha. It is not suitable for real-time appliances that requires reliable data transmission. This is how it suffers from high collision rates and a low percentage, and it is not suitable for the real time of Aloha because it is a protocol that how the first transmitted first, how the first rate is transmitted first. And next, introduction to Csma. I already told that it is a cybersecurity access management and it is a process of discovering, monitoring, and organizing the data. And here it tells that carrier sends multiple access. That is the full form. Is a network protocol for shared communication channels. And you can say that another point, it is a media access control based that prevents the devices for the transmitting the continuously data. And Csma improves upon Aloha by sensing the channel before transmitting data. This method reduces the likelihood of collisions between data packets. This is about the introduction of Csma, that is carrier sends multiple access. And next, variations of Csma. The two main variants of Csma are Csma or collision detection. Csma or CD, that is collision detection full form. It is used to wired networks like Ethernets. It is used as an wire like networks like Ethernet. And next, Csma or collision avoidance. It is a commonly used in wireless networks such as Wi-Fi. You can see the collision detection and collision avoidance is a commonly used in wireless networks such as Wi-Fi. And you can see the Ethernet Csma or CD continued from station listens of further activity. From there detects activity, and from detect activity it goes to waits. And next, from detects activity it goes to transmit, from transmit to detects collision, and from detects collision to transmission complete. And also from detect collisions to stops transmitting jams that waits. And from that stops transmitting jams waits, it goes to station listens for the activity at last. This is how it variations this is how the variation will happen in happens in carrier sense multiple access. And next, advantages of carrier sense multiple access or collision detection. Csma or CD reduces the chances of data collisions compared to Aloha. Compared to the Aloha, it reduces the chances of data. And next, it allows for the higher throughput and more efficient use of bandwidth. The protocol is well suited for networks which predictably traffic patterns. That you can see the schematic diagrammatic of Csma or CD advantages. From start it goes to medium, and medium full, and next data center, and next at last end, and next backup, and next you can see the schematic diagram how it works of the and how the advantages for the carrier sense multiple access or collision detection. And next, disadvantages of Csma or collision detection. That is, Csma or collision detection can still experience collisions in high traffic environments. Next, it is less effective in wireless networks where collision detection is challenging. The overhead of managing back-off times can lead to delay in the data transmission. This is about the disadvantage of Csma and CD, and you can see the schematic diagram how it works. And next, conclusion and feature of network protocols. Understanding Aloha, that is a Csma, that is a control sense multiple access, and collision detection is a crucial for network design. And for the emerging technologies may further optimize these protocols for the better performance. Means for the emergency technologies will optimize these protocols for the better performance for the network protocols. The evolution of network protocols continues to shape communication in the digital ages. And for the network protocols, it will continuously shape the communication in the in the digital age of the evolution. This is about the conclusion and future of network protocols of the Aloha, Csma, or CD, or CSAM. And you can see the schematic diagram of how the feature of network protocol works. Thank you.